Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send USDT TRC-20 from Trust Wallet with 0 TRX. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open your Trust Wallet app. Over here, go to the Discover tab in Trust Wallet. After that, search for the website bytex.org. Over here, enter how much USDT you want to spend, for example 5 USDT, and you will see how much TRX you will receive. Then click buy. After that, select your wallet and approve the connection in Trust Wallet. Then it will prompt you to sign the transaction. Then click sign and enter your passcode. After that, the transaction will complete in a few seconds. Then you will receive the TRX in your wallet. So that's basically how you can send USDT TRC-20 from Trust Wallet with 0 TRX. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.